All right, got a big reassembly today. It's a Volvo XC90. It's pretty hard hitting front. We replaced the cooling system. Pretty much everything right here is getting replaced. Yeah, and got our beautiful teal colored coolant. All right, well, let's get to it then. All right. You guys, and I got you guys. Yep, I am using the trash can as a bumper stand because they are all filled up right now. It's a very busy week. We're gonna try to get this one done as quickly as we can, but also do it correctly and make sure everything looks nice. So we're gonna do it fast, but right. Like that, and you're gonna go in just like that. Beautiful. And we got our, where are they, oh no, here they are, 10 millimeters. Okay. Next on the list, this one. Nope. This bad boy right here. Yep, just like you're gonna go there. Go there, and we're gonna put you guys on the old marks. It looks like it is adjustable. Oh yeah. Alrighty. 8 millimeter. This one. These guys, they go on there. With this new plate right here, and you go on just like that. Right? Yeah. Meter. Damn you. Got this bad boy, also new. Right there. And the black 8 millimeters. Oh, got a bunch of them. Which ones could they be, I wonder? Okay. Beautiful, beautiful. Put you on. And we're gonna put you on. And then you guys. try to put them in the middle. And then we can adjust this later. This is very adjustable, by the way. So I'm definitely gonna have to most likely do some adjustments. Okay, next, just gonna go this, that. Okay. Okay. All right. You guys are gonna go in there. You're gonna go in there. Got the hood insulator right here. All right, that's that. Go ahead. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right. All right. Uh-oh. All right. Okay, let's put the, let's grab these. Got a VIN label, not a VIN label. What is this? What is this? This is, what is this? Okay. Okay, well, I'm gonna have to go and tell them they ordered the wrong stickers. Alrighty. Let's do a little surgery here. Nothing serious. I just need to get you out. Thinking chair. All right. One of the funnest things about my job is that I get to sit here and figure out how shit comes apart. But I don't know. That's okay. So I'm sure we will figure it out. All right, figured it out. Had to take a little 5-minute break, come back to it. So it was very simple, I just didn't see it. They have these little bitty tabs deep in there that hold this piece on. So that was pretty much it. But alrighty, so we're gonna keep on rolling. Stick you on here. Boop. And I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna get you on now. And there we go. So boop. All right, and there we go. That's the hood release. Alrighty. Where were we? This piece. Ah. How we go? Like that? Yep. Looks right, looks right. And it came with an extra little thing we don't need. Okay. Because it's already on the airbox. Sweet. Okay. Okay. What's up? Slip you on just like that. There we go. Okay, next. Next. Okay. More more air baffles. Yeah, this is all the stuff we don't need. Except for you, of course. You're highly important. We need you. You guys are gonna bolt in right here. So you go there, and then you are the new latch. Okay. Air guides. I think we have everything. These are the shields. And I need you. No, don't need you yet. You go here. The coolant is filled to the brim. So we will, after it's test driven, we will check the coolant level again and make sure it's good. Oh, I gotta put you on still, huh? Look at that. The ADHD didn't kick in. It's all right. I don't know what the hell I was doing. I just started doing something else. You go the other way. You go the other way. This way. This way. This is the way you go. There. I think we're ready for the air guides. I believe we are. I gotta figure out how they go on. Got 3 of them. All right. It's a big puzzle. I'm gonna go ahead and assume that this goes like this. That. Okay. So that goes in there like that. So you're gonna have to go in. You guys go in before. Right? Let's take a look. Yeah, so you guys clamp into here. All right, yeah, so you guys go here. Awesome. All right, we're getting somewhere, people. We're getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere. Right. Now, you guys, you slip in like this, right? Behind this, of course. Right? Right? Come on. Please tell me I'm right. That would be so great. See, that don't look right. So, I think you go in like this. Here you go. Yeah. 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 Okay. Okay. We figured it out. You guys are in. So, this piece goes in next. Okay. Okay. So, what we gotta do now is I don't know. Okay, let's loosen these 8s. Oh yeah. Loosen the 8s. That's the beauty of European vehicles. Everything's adjustable. I don't know how cool that, I don't know how good that really is, but you know, that's just the beauty of it, you know. Something doesn't fit, you know, you just adjust it. It also makes the reassembly a lot harder sometimes, especially if you're not used to working on European vehicles. But I, believe it or not, started as a helper working on Mercedes, working at a Mercedes body shop back in 2017. I had a pretty decent body man I was working with. He was cool. He was really cool, actually. Management, however, was ass, because, you know, it's a dealership. So that pretty much drove me away. I was there for a year, and then I went work on Land Rovers and Jaguars in the paint shop. Actually, I wanted to be a painter, and I learned real fucking quick that being a painter is ass, and working in the paint shop is way worse than being a body man. Because when you have shitty body man working in the shop, you know, you get shitty body work brought to you, and then when you send it back, they get really pissy. So yeah, that didn't work out too well either. So I decided to just go back and be a body man, so I don't have to worry about other body men sending me shitty work. Anyway, I needed 8. And then I wound up where I'm at now as a helper for another year and a half, and then I went on my own. Now, here we are, 5 years later. Believe it or not, I left here too for a year. I went back to that Mercedes body shop as a technician. It was under new management, also new to manager. He was pretty cool guy. Didn't really work out either. Didn't work out too well. Not so much. I didn't like working there. The new manager was cool. We didn't have any work for half a year, and so when I got there, it was pretty busy for about 6 months, and then the work just died out. It's not a DRP shop, so yeah, so there was barely any work for 6 months, and I had a newborn baby, so I was like, you know what, I like working here, but I gotta make money. So I came back here, and now I'm at a DRP shop making money semi-happily, but you know, it is what it is. I got a family to raise. Sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. Anyway, yep, that's my story. Yay. Oh yeah. All right. Little. Back to the hammer drawer way over here. This beautiful rubber mallet. Oh. Frame rail. Ah. So just give it a little. Tappy tappy. Okay. Now we're just gonna knock you over a little bit. Okay, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Knock you in a little bit as well, and alrighty. There we have it. Impact bar. All right. I'm trying to kind of trying to hurry up and get this one done. It's a big job. We have one frame machine, and I got a job up there tied up right now, and my neighbor needs it as well because his part's in here as well. He's also doing a frame rail. So we're gonna try and get this one done as quickly as we can and hop back on the frame machine and get our frame rail finished and be a good neighbor. Always be a good neighbor. Be the person you want to work with. That's what I always say. Can go in the garbage. Garbage. All right. Garbage. Okay. So now we're gonna try to. Yep. Go here. Come on. Where are you at? Work with me. Give me something. In the impact sensors. Come on. There you go. And then you're gonna pick you up. You guys go there. You guys are gonna go in here. There's a tight little squeeze. Then it'll get in. Come on. Okay. And beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay. And then the last piece of the puzzle. Missing you, hold up. Clip tool. Here, boy. There you are. Oh, hiding from me. I knew I put you somewhere. I'm gonna put you guys right here so I can see you. Okay. Done and done, done and done. We're done with you. Now, where's the other piece? There you are. That's okay. We have these. Not in here. Haha. Here we are. Here we are. We have you. Just trying to find the right one. There it is. Okay. So, I can get 3 of them. There. Or it's all gonna work. It's all gonna work out. It's all gonna work out. All right. There. you got, big dog? Let's take a look. The boy got a used rim. That thing is rusted.
I know.
That motherfucker got some rust on it. Good Lord. Tom is rough. Luckily, that ain't mine. Oh, I'm getting hungry. Good Lord. Look at that aftermarket quality, buddies. Wow. Just wow. Jesus Christ, man. I don't know.
50-50 on it?
Just bring it back to Megan. Let Tony make the call. So I'll have Tony come look at it and let him make the call. That bumper's on national back order, but they have aftermarkets available, and that thing is beat the fuck up. So I'm not making the call on that one. Keep on keeping on, man. All right, let's do the fender. Hello, fender. Body line is lined up. Tighten you up. Beautiful. Close you a little bit. There. And right. Beautiful, beautiful, and beautiful. The door looks good. The door's looking great. Don't like this. It's this. It's like, but I mean, it's the OEM fender that came with the car. So, can't do nothing about that. All right, let's do our hood latches, and then we will go to lunch. All right, back from lunch. Got the front end finished. Got the latches on the hood. Got the hood lined up with the fenders. Everything's back where it needs to be. Everything looks great. So all that's left to do is install the headlamps and build the bumper. And then we got to put on the fender liners, and that is it. Car is done. I'll get back to it. Let's get it. Come on. There you go. Go in your home. Snapped in like that. All right, let's do this now. Come here. Come here. So yeah, we like this right here. We like that one, but we don't like this. This has got a gap. I'm not a big fan of it. let's see what's going on. I have to. See, the gap for the door is great. I don't want to bring it forward, so I think what I'm going to do is make some adjustments on these right here. So let's grab a 10 millimeter. Let's grab a long 10 millimeter. What we're gonna do is loosen this guy up. Kind of want to loosen these guys up too a little bit. All right. Yep. See, it can definitely come over some. It's got some adjustment on this one. Let's see what we can do. Come on, let it go. Acting like a hurricane. Here I am. Micro ratchets. Get in there. Do your job. Come on. Okay, that ain't working. Let's try the long 10 millimeter ratchet wrench instead. This might work a little better. Oh yeah, that's better. Come on now. There. That's where we want you. We want you like that. Okay. That's a lot better. All right, tighten you back up. Get in there. Okay, that's better. We like that. Okay. Now I got to realign the hood with the fender again. Unfortunately, that is god awful. I would hate if that was my car. Just saying, all that money you spend on a Volvo and this is the kind of quality you're getting, but I would be extremely pissed off. Okay, that looks good. And that looks good. All right, there we go, problem solved. Alrighty, that's done. We're gonna go ahead and tighten the fender back up and then make sure all the lights work. And we're gonna start on the bumper. Get that motherfucker done as well. All right. Nice. Good enough. All right, come here. Get you out of the way as well. Getting a little cramped over here. All right. tight. Let's flip her over. There we go. There we go. Beautiful. There you go. Come on. Just go to your home. Go in there. She's a wee bit tight. Just a wee bit tight. Yeah, come on. There. There. Awesome. 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 All right. Whew. Let's grab our new bumper stuff. We're supposed to have 2 of these. Only got 1. Okay. Well, this one's on hold. Okay. Well, that'll be it for this one, I guess, because I don't. Okay, all right, we're back on the Volvo. I started putting this one together last Thursday and ran into an issue. Had 2 parts not ordered on this bumper, energy absorber and the retainer that goes right here. So we ordered those. It's now Monday, following Monday, and the parts are finally here. So the bumper's on the car. We just got to button it up, put the liners on and the wheel arches and all those shields under here, and that's it. We're done. Come on now. Find your home. There you go. Find your home. Find your home. I'm gonna put you guys here. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Find your home. Beautiful. Beautiful. Then up and over here as well. Yep. Okay, so we're gonna put you right there and there. Smudge you down nice and gently like that. Okay, that is everything underneath. All that in the back, right, dog. These guys go underneath like this. Let's get you. Let's fix you right quick. Yep. So probably do better with the light under here. Yep, right there. And we'll do one right there. It'd be better for a lift for this vehicle. I'm already down here, so don't make no sense to go under. Put it on the lift. Okay, clips are on underneath. We got these T30s to put on. These go in the fender, and the rest are for the wheel arch. Fender liners and moldings and whatnot. And this ain't even for this car. This is for, this looks like a Toyota. And got you and some extras. Wheel arch clips. Right there. Okay, that's that one. Then we're gonna go with you. There. Right. There. And you're gonna go right there. Oh. Oh no. And there. Okay. That's good. You right here. There we go. So you go here. Just need to use a little Sixth Sense, Eagle Vision, Assassin's Creed Brotherhood type shit right here. Oh yeah, Ezio would be proud. There we go. Come on. Beautiful. That worked. All right, and then the bumpers are plugged in. So now we'll go to the other side. This little, find the hole, find the bolt head, which is right. Spin it on a little more by hand. Let's find the hole. Where are you? The force is not strong with this one. Nope, that's not it. Come on. There you go. Beautiful. All right, now we just do the liners. Okay, you were for the passenger side. Cool. That works. Yeah, that works. And then this is for a different job. Alrighty. Okay. Very easy. Fender liner. You on, same thing. Okay. Okay. All right. New clips for our moldings right here. New molding clips. These clips break, so always replace them. And the ones that don't break, just replace them anyway. Because we can always have some spares. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. All right. So, gonna get this one done. Okay, beautiful, 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 beautiful. Okay. Okay. Next, this one. Okay, so now we got these clips. These are the good ones. We're gonna save these. Might need some one day. I'm gonna put the new ones on. Ah, yes, the beautiful sounds of the hybrid song. Whew. I'm a little out of breath. I'm gonna roll it. Give me some water. Water break. All right. The final piece of the puzzle. Go on here. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. 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 Beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful. Yes. Decent. Decent. Okay, that is it on this one. I don't need to check the tire pressure. The tire pressure light's not on. The fluids don't need to be checked. I did those during the repair process when I did the front end. So that is going to be it on this one. It needs to get post scanned, and that's it. Test drive. Yep, that is the Volvo XC90. I'll give this one 1 thumbs up.